I work for Utility Trailer Manufacturing Company. I'm a CWI-CWE, Certified Welding Inspector/Educator. I do welding training, welding inspection training, and just assist our plants in our welding programs. Just the fact you're creating things with your hands. I mean, we build semi-trailers, and there are a lot of welded parts on there. So it's just the pride and accomplishment of making a good part that you're going to see out on the interstate each and every day. My uncle, actually, he was a pipe fitter for Meade Corporation, told me I could have a good career as a welder. But as far as me, myself, having a lot of hands-on interaction with the community college, I haven't. And that's what made this special to me, is realizing how I can make that happen and how much more involved industry should be with the community colleges. Because you guys, through the community college system, can provide a lot more than I ever dreamed was possible. Find your workforce at a Virginia community college.